Excuse music, y'all, but I'm coming on here today with a toy review. And this is the school bag that transformed into a little makeup area, a little vanity area. And Lele will be showing you guys how it works. Come with 30 pieces. And it turns into a book bag. You got makeup. And this is the review, how it turns. And my baby girl is going to be showing you guys how it sets up. Sorry. Hey, peace. Say hi, Alea. Say hey. Okay, y'all. So this is how it's assembled. So it comes with stickers. Come with a mirror. Yeah. And it comes with all this stuff. So it comes with a. It comes with a blow dryer. It comes with 3 little bracelets. It comes with a comb. It comes with lip gloss. It comes with 2 rings. Sorry, yeah. It comes with makeup. You gonna play with it, Leia? Show them how to play with it. It comes with a lotion bottle. Come with lipstick. Come with perfume. It's also a sticker. Come with. So this also turns back into a book bag, y'all. We'll show you guys that in a minute. Let's show them how to play with it.
Okay, guys, who wants some yummy vegetables for dinner?
Leia.
I do.
Show them how to play with it. Go play with it, Leia.
Guys? Don't
She and her Lunchable, y'all.
They're so good for you. And take
Remember these Lunchables, y'all? Leia, we doing a video. Turn this down.
Please. Vegetables are great.
And she watching her little video, her movie, her little cartoon on it. About to eat her little Lunchable. So also come with the little makeup thing. This was also stickers. We had opened it last night, so I decided to do a video on it, toy review. It's a little mirror, a little vanity thing. So this whole thing turned back into a book bag. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Let's show them how to play with it. Come with little hair bows. Let's say a little makeup thing. Oh, so that's all the little stuff.
Mama, how will I open this?
Hold on, show C-Squad how to play with your toy. You putting your makeup on?
What big turn this time?
Show them. Go play. Play, Leia. Play. Put your makeup on. Yeah. Put your makeup on. Yeah. She look in the mirror, y'all. Show me your little bracelet. I'm sorry. Put your bracelet. Yeah. Put your bracelets on. See, I put my lipstick on right now. Don't eat it, mama. So nice little fun toys for 3 and plus 3-year-olds. She's 2 and she's loving it. Turn into a little vanity. That's not food. That's not the kitchen. Just for your makeup, girl. Put your makeup on. Where your perfume at?
I want to
I love that she ready to eat, y'all. Her Lunchable. But yeah, this is a nice toy review, y'all. It's really nice for a 2-year-old.
Yeah.
She want to show y'all her Lunchable. We already showed them the Lunchable. You want to show them eat your Lunchable?
Oh, did she?
No. Oh, she messing with the camera here. Can't do this with one hand, Leia. Then we about to get ready to go to the pool. So this is a Leia day. All the kids is over the cousin house having fun. And she's sitting here playing her makeup. Eating her Lunchable. And about to go to the pool. We'll do a video of that, y'all. When we at the pool, I can't even talk. Alright, peace. Okay, y'all. So Leia wanted to come on here and eat her Lunchable. She got her juice. Wild cherry. She got her crackers, her salami, her cheese, her cookies. Of course, she eat the cookies first. Hey, Leia. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
I do it too.
Say hey, Ski Squad.
I do it too.
Like I was saying, you guys, just in here. This is a toy review. Just got done playing with it. And now she eat her Lunchable. And then she about to get ready to go to the pool. So this is a Leia day. I you got all the little everything. I'm playing with it too with her, y'all. It's fun. The little mirror on there. The little table. Put her little stuff on. And it turned into a book bag once again.
No.
You got it?
So
Okay. You got it, baby? So I'm just sitting here chilling, watching me some cartoons, eating me a Lunchable, and playing in my makeup.
Daddy, how? Mama, how will open this?
Yes, I'll open these for you.
Open this.
Open these. Ooh. Your little cute booty. Cutie mamas.
Yeah.
Cutie mamas.
That's what was.
That's so upside down. So then you have to edit some of that. Hey, cutie booty. So hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube.
Oh, look at her.
So my sisters and brothers over at cousin house, so I'm having fun here, playing on my vanity and eating my Lunchable. So this is a Leia day. You need a paper towel? Here, I got a wipe. Here you go, baby. Good girl. So we about to go outside and get some sun and get in the pool and have fun. Okay, you guys, so that'll be the next clip. Her at the pool having fun. I gotta find her swimsuit. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye,
Peace. Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and show y'all what I'm making today. Hamburger helper, 4-cheese linguine. And this is how it's looking. Put a little Parmesan cheese up in there, my favorite. And we love, you guys, we love parsley flakes. Just got out the pool with Leia. So now I'm cooking dinner. And also, you guys, I got this cornbread, sweet cornbread from Walmart. Comment down below if y'all ever tasted these. They taste really good, y'all. I know this lady was kind of clowning on me at Walmart. Older lady. She was like, your mom gonna kick your butt. Your grandma gonna kick your butt for buying this cornbread. You know you're supposed to be home making that cornbread, girl. I said, yeah, I know. I know how to make cornbread, y'all, but I just brought these. These is good. And I don't feel like making cornbread, so I just brought that from Walmart. I forgot how much it was. About $3-4. But yep, that's our linguine. That's Chopper. Lele sitting here playing with her toys and watching TV. Alright, peace. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I couldn't really get footage by the pool because I had to hold her. She is 2, but I bet we just get back from the pool, and now she's sitting. She just got out the tub, and now she's sitting watching her little cartoons and playing with her toy that she loves. Her little vanity setup, her little vanity toy. Once again, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming back with more videos and just getting things together for our video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.